Valentine's Day is over and hopefully you made it out with your heart intact. But if you're like me and only walked away with a broken nail, well, let's fix that. You can't tell with the polish on, but this nail is hanging on for dear life. There are cracks on both sides, making everything from texting to washing my hair a struggle. But don't worry, I've got you. I'm going to show you how to fix the cracked nail using the silk wrap method, the right way, so it lasts and blends seamlessly. So this is what's going to save my nail, silk wrap. I've had this for ages, so honestly I don't remember where I got it, but I'll link something similar in the description. Silk wrap is basically like nail bandage. I'm cutting out 2 small pieces slightly larger than the cracked areas. Before applying the silk wrap, I'm going to make sure that my nail is prepped and ready to go. Now I'm applying a thin layer of base coat. I'm using X-Bond Bonding Gel by Akzentz because it has amazing adhesion and will help with retention when we add the silk wrap and hard gel later. This step is super important because it sets the foundation for our repair. Once the base coat is on, I'm curing it for 30 seconds before moving on. Next, I'm using Enhanced Pink from Akzentz. I love this one for overlays because it's self-leveling, making application super easy, and it's strong enough to hold the broken nail together without feeling too thick. I'm applying a thin layer of hard gel over the cracked areas using a gel brush. This creates a tacky surface that will help the silk wrap adhere smoothly. First piece of silk wrap with tweezers and gently pressing it down. You can actually see the silk wrap almost melting into the gel. It starts out white, but turns nearly translucent as it absorbs the gel. Make sure the silk wrap covers the cracked area completely. You can use your tweezers or an orange wood stick to adjust the position of the silk wrap. As you can see, I didn't put enough gel on my nail, so I'm going to add a little bit more here. I'm repeating the same steps for the crack on the other side, applying a thin layer of hard gel, then placing the silk wrap with tweezers and pressing it down. It's really important to position the silk wrap right up to the edge of the nail. If this crack opens up again, this is a spot where it'll start. As I'm patting down the silk wrap and adding more gel, sometimes it shifts the silk wrap, so I'm always making sure to push it back into position. Another tip is to make sure that the silk wrap is sitting flat on your nail and not poking up. Bits that are poking up will make bumps on the surface of the nail, and that means you'll have to spend more time filing and buffing it down later. Once everything looks good, I'm curing for 30 seconds in an LED lamp to set the silk wrap in place. Now I'm applying a full layer of hard gel over the entire nail to seal everything in and add strength. The key here is to keep the gel thinner around the edges so it blends seamlessly with the rest of the nail. But at the stress point, which is usually near the center, I'm making sure the gel is slightly thicker for extra reinforcement. This helps prevent future breaks and keeps the nail structure strong. Here I'm feathering the hard gel out towards the tip of my nail because I don't want it to be too thick in this area. I cured the layer for 30 seconds and now let's check the strength. See? No flexing, no weakness. This nail is solid. The silk wrap and hard gel combo is doing its job. And from here, you can just leave the nail as is or put on some gel polish. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you next time!